away. Tomorrow they go to vacation with somebody, gonna take it home, right? You're gonna see no mommy no more. Mommy gonna see you no more. They're gonna see the baby no more. Baby got away. Baby got away. Woohoo, poopy. Woohoo, baby's gonna go away. I'm gonna see mommy no more. Oh, I feel so sorry for you, but I love you. But I love you. Mommy love you. Mommy love you. Mommy love you. You got away. Mommy got. They got away. Yeah, you are. Yeah. Mommy love you. Mommy love you too much. Mommy love you too much. You're gonna go away. Oh my God. Yeah, love you. That's what you see when you love the bird so much. I had this bird when they used to be a baby, and they gave it to me on Mother's Day, and I'm gonna go away because somebody's gonna take them home. I feel so sorry though. So beautiful, right? So beautiful bird. I love you. Mommy love you so much. Okay? Say bye-bye to mommy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. See how they do it? They say bye-bye. Like that. Word. Right? Love you. Love you so much. Bye. Bye-bye. Love you. Mommy love you. Mommy love you so much. Bye.